I hope you're having an awesome day today. And I had a friend of mine that said, can we build a secure link system? So when I send a customer a link, let's say that I just want them to see it for, let's say, 5 hours, 24 hours, whatever amount of time, that when they receive the email, that time from the moment that they received it, that it start counting. And then if they come back later, it poof, they cannot get access to it. So let's go right there. So the first thing that we're gonna do is that I'm using Voomly as my video delivery system. And I uploaded here my Voomly video and I customized it so the logo will be my logo, so I can use everything the way I need it. And I'm going to be using the video link page for that when we need it. So after that, all that I have to do is build a regular funnel. So in this case, I'm going to have an opt-in page and a thank you page. And I have something that is that I told you so. That is, hey, I told you that you only have 24 hours to watch this video. If you did not watch it, it expired, it boof, like the Mission Impossible. That's where the idea came from. Like the Mission Impossible, hey, this message will self-destruct in 5 seconds, whatever. So that's the whole idea. So after we have this, we're gonna be leveraging an automation platform. And in this case, I'm gonna be using Zapier. And what I'm doing is that I'm receiving the webhook, and then I need to create that link. That link is coming from a platform called Short.io. And what Short.io allow me to do is that I can then take and automatically create a short link. And when I go into the action, I can specify the domain. You create a domain in Short.io, so you can buy one, you can create a subdomain like what I did. And you put the link that you want them to hide. So they will hide this link and they will not show it to anyone. And you can create a title for the page. And here's a cool thing. You can decide for how long does that link is valid. So let's say if you want that link to be 5 minutes, 5 days, 24 hours, whatever it is, you can set it up in here. Then after that, you can cloak it. That is that you can hide it. And then this is a really cool feature. That is that this will self-destruct automatically. When the time expires, it sends the person to another page. And all that I have to do now is that I can click continue and it will create that link. After I do that, all that I'm doing is that I'm sending the email through my Gmail account. So let's go and try it. So I'm gonna take here my link. Okay, so let's see where the email arrives. Okay, there we have the email, has the link. And when I click, this brings me to my video and I can play my video, and in about 5 minutes, when I gave them the instructions, it will expire. But like we're like on a cooking show, here's what another link will look like. And when they come in here, they cannot see the link anymore, or they will get redirected to where you send them. So there you have it, my friends, how you can build a system to send your videos and they will automatically expire when you need them. So we'll see you on our next video.